Hey guys, today I'm right off Elm Street. We are at 1606 Elm Street. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's a single family home. If you like East Carolina University, this is definitely the place for you. Let's take a look. We have a wide open living room with a beautiful fireplace over here, guys. Tons and tons of natural light. So we head into our kitchen. We have a nice sitting area here. Nice big kitchen table can fit here. And an open concept kitchen. I really love this wood, honestly. Super beautiful. And that goes back into the living room over there. Let's take a look at this backyard. This deck is perfect. This backyard is fenced in. Absolutely beautiful. And you do have a carport right here too. But like I said, it is all fenced in. Let's take a look at our bedrooms. We have our first bathroom here. It's a full bath. If we keep heading down, we have our master bathroom, my master bedroom and master bathroom. It's huge in here. Okay, 2 big closets in here, and we have bedroom number 2. We have a big closet in here as well. Last but not least, bedroom number 3. Again, nice big closets in here, guys. FlagshipRentalProperty.com. Check it out, apply, enjoy, have a great day.
Renting from Flagship Property Management is easy and has so many advantages. You can pay your rent and make maintenance requests online. There's a 24-hour emergency maintenance hotline, and we have ethical and professional office staff along with so much more. If you like the property that you saw, schedule a viewing online at FlagshipRentalProperty.com, or as always, give us a call at 252-364-4944.